5 seconds to go. Start. As already stated supra, the object of the KL Act and PC Act was to achieve common object and goal of corruption-free society. Stop. Common man has immense faith in the institution of Karnataka Lokayukta and also its police wing, that too after handling investigation relating to mining scam. Stop. Earlier, the common man could have filed the complaint against anybody to set the law into motion under the PC Act, and there was no bureaucratic impediment or decision required to initiate the proceedings against a complaint. Stop. However, ACB was set up abruptly with an intention to take control of the pending investigations against the high functionaries of the state, bureaucrats, etc. Stop. In order to protect and scuttle the investigation against political class and bureaucrats, government order dated 14th March 2016 came to be issued, constituting ACB as authority for investigation under the PC Act, thereby the very purpose of KL Act was indirectly defeated. Stop. As per the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the complainant himself should not be an investigating officer. Stop. As per the impugned executive order, if any complaint filed as against the Chief Minister or the Minister in the Council of Ministers, the Chief Minister himself has to oversee the investigation and also permit investigation, thereby the impugned executive order is opposed to the rule of law and contrary to the dictum of the Honorable Supreme Court. Stop. The impugned government order constituting ACB empowers the Honorable Chief Minister to veto investigation or the sanction of investigation. Stop. This itself defeats the very purpose of the anti-corruption drive, and ACB is not at all an independent body. Stop. The police force of ACB works under the authority of the Honorable Chief Minister, and any independent investigation is only a mirage. Stop. No serving officers would be in a position to conduct an inquiry against the Honorable Chief Minister under whom they would be working as subordinates. Stop. Therefore, by the constitution of ACB, the basic investigation apparatus mechanism is dysfunctional. Stop. The ACB is constituted virtually to defeat the very purpose of PC Act itself. Stop. The state is bent upon saving its corrupt ministers and officers, and therefore the impugned government order and subsequent sporting notifications are contrary to the very object of the KL Act. Stop. The constitution of ACB is one without authority of law, and though it purports to create an independent wing, it is controlled by the Honorable Chief Minister. Stop. Thus, the Lokayukta police force is virtually abolished by creation of ACB. Stop. The state government issued the impugned government order constituting ACB on an erroneous understanding of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Stop. In fact, the said judgment curtails the power of the state government to constitute ACB or any alternative mode of investigating agency and interfere with the functioning of the Lokayukta. Stop.